Everyone always talks about how much they hate dating apps, even though they're all on them. So what's the solution to this?
Think about this question way more than I have any right to, because dating apps weren't a thing when I met my husband. I would have not swiped right or whatever on him. I came up with a couple of ideas that I wanted to share. Women in the real life don't necessarily think of looks as the most important thing. We could come up with some other ideas, like all men would see pictures, but then women, their options to swipe right or left would be a different set of things. So no photos. So the first thing is a curated list of questions. Experts come in and have a list of like 5 questions of things that women really want to know, and I don't really know what that list of questions would be. You could swipe right or left depending on how you like the answers to the questions. Next thing would be, this one's kind of funny, how much time they spend playing video games, a list of their hobbies. I know this is all in the app, like you can put all that stuff inside of a dating app, but if that was the question that made you swipe right or left, you might get more matches. So we're going for men being able to get more matches. So what is their favorite songs, movies, TV series? Next one would be, what would you do questions, like really serious questions. You found out that your best friend's family member died. What would you do? Or another question, you found a stray animal on the side of the road. What would you do? A bunch of questions like that will really get into the character of the man, and I think that would be an interesting way to choose whether to swipe right or left. Photos of their closet. That says a lot about someone. Picture of their closet. A photo of their most important item. They have to choose one thing that says, this is the most important thing to me. That could be an interesting thing. Last one would be, with all this AI, I would think we could have some kind of avatar. Like they could take a test, and then honestly I was like, this is like a Harry Potter thing, where you're like this little avatar you can interact with, and then this is kind of a crazy one. This one might not ever actually happen, but who knows with tech these days. That's my list of possible other options for dating apps, which I have absolutely no right to suggest. Yeah, take it as you will.